What's going on? I'm gonna have a little video here of a Ttr125 Yamaha. Gonna try and get it running again. I had it running a little while ago, but I let it sit and the carburetor junked up. So I'm trying to get this thing running today. It's probably been 5 or 6 months since I really rode it. Should be a really simple job. It's got one of those lovely Chinese carbs on it. Just a couple screws here and there, and undo the throttle, and it should come out. Hopefully it's not too bad, because I'm probably mistaken, but I don't think you can actually buy kits for these, being that they're not an exact copy of the Mikuni or whatever that comes on it. Got the fuel off, so now I'll unhook this fuel line, and there, as you can see, doesn't seem like it's really tight. Yeah, it wasn't. No fuel coming out. That's good. That means there's no mess. Then I'll unscrew the slide carburetor part up here. Just unscrew this, just real easy, and the carb will come out, and I'll spray it out real good, and hopefully she'll fire it. The carb's now out. Make sure we'll clean it out real good and put her back on. While I have it sitting here, I'll go ahead and tell you a little bit more about it. It's a 2006, 7, 8, in that range. I can't remember what year it is. I bought it, and it was basically in a box. They had taken it apart, and the cylinder and everything was trash. Like, it was so bad. I don't know if it had run out of oil or what, but I bought this cylinder here off of eBay or either Amazon, I don't remember. It's actually a moped cylinder, but they actually fit here, and it keeps the same cc's and everything, and I haven't had a problem with it. So definitely, if you want a cheap cylinder upgrade, go with this. I think it's like $40, or not upgrade, but replacement. I think it was $40, and like I said, I've had no issues. Will I have some in the future? Maybe, maybe not. Fingers crossed. It's actually got what I think is YZ80 forks. I'm not 100% sure. It came on the bike, which is why I actually bought it to start with, was these forks, because I wanted to build like a pit bike thing, even though it's not really the pit bike style motor, but it is a smaller, slower bike, so I'll just call it that because it's easier to say that. But yeah, it's got what I think is YZ80 forks. I don't actually have the wheel to go with the fork, so this is actually a DRZ125 rim that I was parting out a bike, and I just put this on here for the time being. No front brakes, obviously. No, basically none of it. I actually have the brakes in them. This is a YZ80 swing arm, which I bought because it was cheaper to replace the whole swing arm than replace the bushing. That was $45. It was $17 for the whole swing arm. YZ80, I'm assuming, rear wheel chain's really loose. That needs to be replaced. I've been trying to figure out how to maybe make it a hydraulic rear brake, but I don't really know where I could mount the master cylinder in the back, so that'll be a process to figure out. Right now it actually doesn't have brakes, so that's interesting. Just as I expected, old gas turned to jelly, like ethanol loves to do. It's actually hard around where I live to find ethanol-free gas, so I have to deal with this if I don't ride it. But as you can see, it's actually turned kind of green looking. So I'm sure all the jets are completely stopped up. That looks like, I can't tell if that's dirt or old gas. I don't know. Either way, clean it all out, and hopefully she'll fire up. Starting to put the car back on, got it cleaned. Got it all back together. Turn the fuel on, or put it on reserve, I don't really know how much is in it. And try to fire it up. Got it running. Just fired it up. Took a little bit longer than I wanted it to get fired up, but I guess it was just really dry and just had to get it all down where it needs to be. just rode it around some. Seems to be running good. So I'd say that was a pretty successful day. If you want to see more videos like this, more dirt bike videos, more four-wheeler builds, or if you want to see and keep up with my Supra out there, subscribe. And if you like the video, please like the video. That makes me feel good, makes me want to upload more. And tell your friends if you like all this stuff. And just thanks for watching.